In this video, I'll show you how to screenshot on laptop. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, not first, if you want to screenshot on your laptop, you need to be logged into your desktop background, right? So go to this your search bar. That is this search bar right here. Click on it. You'd come on here and type in sniping 2. Yeah, so this is it. This is the application you need. Click on it. Once I've clicked on it, wait for it to open. Once it has opened, you'd switch this to this, right? So this for record, this for taking screenshots. So I would switch this. I would click on this, then I would click on this new. Once I've clicked on it, you would be given an icon, right? Then you drag that icon accordingly, adjust it to any length you want. It can be this, it can be this. Once you're done, you leave it. It would screenshot your screen automatically. So this is how you can screenshot on laptop. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.